how to set text call to use another language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button and then tap on Settings. In here, tap on Text Call. Then we go down and tap on Language. Next, in here, you can select a language that you want to use. Otherwise, you can download a language. So say Italian, tap on the download button. Once it has finished downloaded, it will be available for you to select from the list here. So for example, I'm going to select this language and then tap on the back key. So that is how you can change the language for text call on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, this is what happened when you change the language. So I'm going to tap on Coexist, Text Call. And you can see it is now in a different language now. And that's what happened when you change the language. So here I'm going to switch it back to English, text call, language, and I'm going to change it back to language, to English. And this time when I receive the call, you can see that it will be in English.
I'm now using a voice assistant to talk for me. I can't talk right now. I'll call you back later. Could you repeat that, please?
And that's it. So that is how you can change the text call language on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.